YouTube, look at that. Tell YouTube what we up under.
We up under a tornado watch. We up under a tornado, YouTube.
We're up under a tornado watch until 8 tonight, YouTube. Look at that.
It's good enough.
Hmm?
It's good enough.
I didn't do the front.
And it looks like the hail at least north, at least perhaps quarters, maybe golf ball size, that makes its way northeast. But these storms are not rotating at the moment. We'll keep a close eye on that. The only rotating storm I see on the radar right now would be the storm up into
We up in the rain. Ooh, wait. Y'all see it, YouTube? Hello, YouTube. That's the way it looks. It's warm. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Also, as this continues to move, here we go at about 35 miles per hour. You can expect to see some of the larger hail. Hastings could miss out on some of the larger hail.
Let me check.
High there, 649, Duncan,
Check.
658.
Gigi, tell him to check the door for me. Tell him to check.
Here in the Pacific area, you're recognizing any of these towns and you're like, I live near there. It is definitely a good idea to find your safe spot due to the large hail and the chance for a tornado. This area is
goodbye, YouTube.
Goodbye, YouTube.
Say goodbye, YouTube.
Say goodbye, YouTube.
See, we looking at the weather.
Turn on the velocity. You
Say
can see there
goodbye,
is still
YouTube.
sharp, some nice rotation possible there.
We looking at the weather, YouTube. And y'all hit like, comment, and what else? Subscribe me.
Right.
And tell them to get this video a thumbs up. Tell them.
Get the video thumbs up.
Thumbs up. See? Tornado watch.
Yeah, I'm hearing power outages are in Geronimo, and we're still seeing the very strong winds.
And I will get back with y'all later. Bye, YouTube.